Embarking on a road trip can be an exhilarating experience filled with freedom and adventure. To ensure your journey is smooth and enjoyable, start by planning your route meticulously. Utilize apps like Google Maps or Waze not only to navigate, but also to find interesting pit stops along the way. Always have a paper map on hand as a backup. Next, make a comprehensive packing list. Essentials should include a first aid kit, a spare tire, tools, and your vehicle's manual. Don't forget snacks, water, a cooler, and reusable containers to keep you nourished on the go. Entertainment is key on long drives, so download your favorite music playlists, podcasts, or audiobooks in advance. Ensure your vehicle is road trip ready by getting a thorough checkup from a mechanic. This includes checking tire pressure, oil levels, brakes, and battery. Safety should be a top priority, so always have a roadside assistance plan like AAA. Remember to take regular breaks to stretch and rest, ideally every 2 hours, to stay alert. Keep an emergency kit with items such as blankets, flashlights, and non-perishable food. Lastly, remain flexible. While having a plan is crucial, be open to spontaneous detours and unexpected adventures. A successful road trip is all about balancing preparation and embracing the journey.